In this video, we'll talk about JavaScript for LWC. So JavaScript is a scripting or a programming language that allow you to implement complex feature on web pages. As we already discussed, it brings the interactivity to our web pages. So to become the master in LWC, you have to master in the JavaScript 15 topics, not whole JavaScript, only 15 topics. And those 15 topics I'm going to show you in this learning path now. So first you need to understand variables. Once you know the variables, then you need to understand the different types of data is available, like data types available in JavaScript. After that, you need to differentiate between null and the undefined types. Then you will understand the arrow function, that is a new way of writing the function in JavaScript. Then you need to understand spread operator, destructuring, and string interpolation. These are the ES6 features, or I can say the shorthand operators to work on the arrays, on the object, or on the strings. Then after that, you need to understand the methods, string methods that will help you to play around with the strings. Then we have the object method that help you to play around with the objects, and the array methods which will help you to play around with arrays. So string method, object method, and array methods, like 80% you're going to use this in the LWC. After that, we'll talk about promises. Promises are useful when we have to connect with the server. Like in Apex cases, we're gonna see this. Then we'll move on to the module import and export, like how you can import one file code or the util methods from one file to another file. So this also we're gonna use heavily in our LWC. After that, we'll look into the events. Every programming has the event concept, like on click of button, what should happen. Then we'll move on to the set timeout and interval difference. This will see how to differentiate between set timeout and set interval. And at the end, we'll look into the query selector, how you can fetch the element or how you can find the element from the DOM. So these are the 15 topics that is very much needed to become the master in LWC. So we'll start with the variables in our next video.